Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be trying out okra juice on my hair. I want to know exactly what it does because I have seen so many people using okra juice for their hair, to grow out their hair, to detangle their hair. So today I'm trying to use it to detangle my hair and see what it looks like and see what it feels like. And I'm trying to compare it between flaxseed and okra to know which one is better. I'll be showing you how I made this okra gel. It is very simple. All you need to do is cut your okra. For me, I blended it because I don't have time to start cutting one after the other, so I just put it into a blender and I blended it. Not very smooth though, I just blended it a bit. Then I transferred it into a pot and allow it to boil a little bit. Once you notice it has started to boil, bring it down. We just need it fairly cooked. Okay, then I transferred it into my cheesecloth to strain the gel. You can use a sieve, net, a wig cap, or a cheesecloth, anyone you have available to you. So all I did was I raised it up and shaked it a bit for the gel to strain out, for the gels to come out. I didn't have to press it because it was hot and I didn't want to burn myself. This okra gel is extremely slippery, so this can easily get messy. So while you're doing this thing, you need to be careful. If it's not hot, you can use your hand to press it to get out the gel before you go ahead to wash your hand. Or better still, use a glove while you're doing this. So this okra juice is extremely moisturizing. Okra juice can moisturize your dry hair, especially during this winter. If you're struggling with dry hair, if you're struggling with tangles and knots in your hair, this is a good recipe for you. This is a natural detangler that is very effective when it comes to detangling and moisturizing your hair. Okra gel can help you reduce frizzes in your hair. It can also strengthen your hair and add shines to your hair. Okra gel can be used in so many ways. It can be used as a detangler, it can be used as a moisturizer, as a pre-poo, and also as a leave-in conditioner. This can also be used as a styler. Instead of using your gel, you can use okra juice for its added benefit, and it's going to slick down your hair just like the gel would do. And also it is natural. Okra gels contain vitamin A, C, and K, as well as magnesium, potassium, and zinc, which nourishes the hair follicle. Like I said before, this is my first time trying out okra juice, so this is how I use it to detangle my hair, and you're going to see my coils like you've never seen them before. My coils were so visible. Like, I was very impressed. Though I'm still going to do between flaxseed and okra juice, I need to compare. I need to make a video about that to compare and contrast between both of them, but you're going to see how my coils were defined. Like, I was impressed. I was really impressed. I think I will continue to do this. I think I will continue to use this okra gel both for hair growth and for styling. I don't know if anyone noticed, but I didn't cut the head of the okra or the bottom. And that is because while I was making my research, I found out that if you need the gel to be stronger, like if you need it more slippery, you have to use both the head and the tail. So you're not cutting anything out, you're using everything. That is what I did, and my gel was really slippery. I had to add water at some point. So if you're doing yours, or if you've done yours before and you notice it is not really thick, try including both the bottom and the tail. Blend everything together and boil it. You're going to get a thicker gel out of it.